Oh, be on by. Y'all need to help me, man. Help. Trust the Lord, man. Trust the Lord. I ain't made it halfway there yet. Then I got trucks behind me back there. Boy, life of a truck. Yeah, my air tank, they built all the way up. But my buzzer's still going off. I don't know what's going on, man. I just sick and tired of it. That buzzer just driving me nuts. What I need to do? I put this deal here on there. You see it? Put that on there. And then my truck doing it. What I need to do? Somebody help me. Please help me. Please. She ain't too much help. She just always just riding. So I gotta listen to this noise. Put my headphone in. Listen to this noise or either tune it out. So I can't tune it out too much because I gotta drive, make sure I don't hear nothing pop or anything. Dang.